Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is dashboard. You can roll to earn grams. You can also invite it to earn grams. Also watch videos and smart contacts. Go to referral and invite some person to earn a gram. This is the rules. Go to free. After 60 minutes you can also buy sold out tickets. Um, as you see that I have only 9.3 gram balance. Gram price is 3.13. Withdraw 0. Deposit also 0. And activity timeline show the your activities which you did early. And so I invite one person, refill, that is Timur Khan. His level is 13 person one level. And you can also watch videos like this. So I watched early. At this time you can watch and earn some grams. It's a very useful earning grams, earn money more. So assalamu alaikum.